Good morning. Welcome back or welcome. It's a couple days after my first track event and it's gonna be a couple more days until I'm back out there. I really want to drive Lock City at the end of the month, so I've been practicing on Austin Sim.
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
I'm only 2 days into the sim and Spoon already is upgrading it. But I'm proud to say I managed to do hairpin at Club Loose on this thing. I'll show you guys in a bit. Y'all got it? I have no idea how setting up a sim works, so.
I don't know what I'm doing either. Gas.
Where the f am I?
What?
Ah, damn, I thought you were gonna do it on that one. Kick. Wow, see? Wow, that was great, Kelly.
I did it!
Wow, good job, Kai.
I went to the bathroom quick and Jordy took over. Apparently he keeps blowing this thing up. I didn't even know that was a thing in this game.
I've blown it up twice. Close.
We need to invest into a sim. By the way, this is not a sponsored ad. We're just playing to play. All I know is if you can drive the sim, you can drive a car. So I'm trying to nail the sim so I can drive my car.
I can drive a car, but I can't drive a sim.
Apparently, it's way easier to transition from sim to car than car to sim. But I can't drive a car yet, so we'll see. I managed to link the corner before hairpin and hairpin.
Killed it.
These are my witnesses.
You did.
But we didn't realize we were on the sim all f***ing day. Didn't get any car things done that we planned on. So we'll be back tomorrow. Good morning! And we're back to do actual car stuff and not online. Jordy's gonna pull his car in right now. We're gonna mess with his tie rods because he thinks they're rubbing. And we're gonna mess with my fitment. Look how cute they are next to each other. Okay, you guys know the deal. Ta-da! Works.
Hello?
Pick through.
Good form, dude.
I'll work out. Now let's address the problem. So like I stated before, Jordy thinks his tie rods are rubbing, so he's gonna go lock the lock and show me what he thinks is happening. Yeah, I see.
You see what I hit in the control arm?
Yeah, there's literally a mark on the control arm from the tie rod. That's crazy. Yeah. What's the next step, Jordan?
flipping these bitches.
Jim told Jordy that people with high angle that have these tie rods tend to flip them.
They're just stock E36 outers, but obviously how they're shaped, it makes sense. When you flip them, you can get more out of it.
Sorry, that light is so killer. Jordy said the alignment is also good, so he's gonna be smart. Put a piece of tape where the threads are to mark the spot.
It felt great driving.
Help me out.
And then I don't have to toe plate it, which we probably still will anyway, but
We'll do it just to make sure. Should be an easy job.
get to work.
I have to tape just the threads. I think Anthony would be proud. Now the other side.
I took the tie rod off already, and I swapped one side. Now we're just swapping the other side, and hopefully that solves our problem.
Let's hope my tape markings were right. All right, figured out Jordy's issue. Now let's put the wheels on, get the car down, and get my car in here. Boom! See you guys when my car is in here. Before we get back into the shop, make sure you check out the new rust and paint design. We have air fresheners and decals. Check it out now. And we're back. New car, new problem. I'm kind of liking the fast transition, so let's get this over with. Okay, now just like Jordy's, have to take the wheels off.
Come on, pit crew.
NASCAR, hire me.
You had already got fired. They don't sit down on the job.
I got hemorrhoids. I have hemorrhoids. The reason why we're here today is not because of my tie rods, thankfully, but because I want to raise my fronts and adjust my caster. Because after my first little track event, I did a little research, lots of YouTube videos, lots of forums, lots of reading. And positive caster will help me with self-steering. And I'm raising my fronts because 15s fit snug on this, but the 16s, not so much. I'm gonna be rubbing fenders, and I don't want any more bacon fenders than I already got started. Scratch that. Jordy said he's gonna roll my fenders real quick. Good guy, Jord. Okay, I raised this side up only like half to like 0.6 inches. Jordy rolled that fender. We're gonna go see how it looks, but we're switching sides right now. Oh, damn.
Good.
Actually looks really good.
Yeah, for your lip now.
That's crazy. What lip?
Exactly.
Okay, let's get started. Done. Fenders are rolled. Car is raised. Jordy started messing with the caster. How's it going?
I need a second set of eyes.
I'm coming. We're here.
Camber we're not messing with. We're not messing with the camber.
We don't with Camber. Camber, we're not with you today.
Yeah, gotta move a little closer, you know. This controls our caster. Pushes the arm in and out with a
Sorry
nice...
guys, I can't really focus, but like you guys get the concept.
Yeah, it's just an eccentric bolt.
All the forums say a good 6-degree caster will do me good.
But we don't know how to measure that, just doing all the calculations. So we're gonna max it out as much as we can and hope that it's as close to 6 degrees as it can be.
I'm the eyes, Jordy's the hands. He's gonna go underneath the car, start f***ing with the eccentric bolt. He already put the wheel back on to see, of course.
What way is it going?
It looks like it moved back.
Yeah, it is.
It's starting to move forward. You guys can't really notice, but I can. I already see a slight difference, and I'm excited to see what it looks like with the car down. Moving on to the next side. Look how cute he looks in his little safety goggles. Part 2, the other side. Ow. Moment of truth.
Lower the jack handle. Lower the jack handle.
Good thing it's KBD.
If that was fiberglass, it would be obliterated.
Good thing it's KBD. Of course, I remember last second to record doing this funnest part, toe in. Let's set you guys up so you can see.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Just barely touches. Alright, go drive it.
Action?
Drive it around the parking lot, see how it feels.
Oh, at least it's small in my own car. Gonna let Jordy test it out. I'm excited. All right, you heard the man.
Yeah.
The next day.
Before we end this week's video, hovsco sent their Hov GTRS e-bike. Let's open it.
Yeah, there's staples in it.
It looks like we gotta build this thing, so check out next week's video to see the full thing built and its durability. In the meantime, if you do want to check this out before we do that, the link is in my description. Check it out. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys then.